Hi, watching The Savera. This is Amarpal Singh before you to promote the women fish farmers today. Guru Angad Dev Veterinary and Animal Sciences University. They are observing the Fish Farmers Day, and we are having with us Dean of the College of Fisheries over here at Guru Angad Dev Veterinary and Animal Sciences University. Welcome, ma'am, to The Savera. First
Thank
of
you.
all,
Thank you.
ma'am, please brief about the fish farming and how you are promoting the women fish farmers.
As you have seen that we are celebrating National Fish Farmers Day today, that is 10th of the July. It is celebrated every year on this date. This year we have aligned this celebration with the United Nations International Year for the Women Farmer. So we have honored six women farmers who are entrepreneurs in different activities of aquaculture. So in general, we are promoting different type of aquaculture farming systems, like in freshwater zone, in saline zone also. In freshwater, we have different species, like there are traditional carp species, and then we have diversified freshwater aquaculture with some other high value species like Pangas catfish. And in saline area, we are promoting shrimp farming. So these are the major aquaculture farming systems as far as the species is concerned. But if you talk about the aquaculture systems, so we have traditional pond aquaculture, then we have intensive indoor farming systems, like which are low volume, high density farming systems, like recirculatory aquaculture system and biofloc based aquaculture systems.
Right.
So these are the major mandates of the university.
Right. Today, if we talk about the urban women, how you are promoting the fish farming among the urban women, because there is a challenge about the space.
Yeah, this is a right question. Like if we compare with the rural areas, in urban areas, there is a limitation of land holding. They have lesser space, but if they want to take up some aquaculture activity, there are certain technologies which are indoor and they require low volume of water. As compared to traditional farming systems, 80 to 90% less water is required, and more number of fish can be reared by recirculating the water or by adopting the biofloc aquaculture technologies. So these are two technologies which we are promoting among the farming community, including the women farmers. And we have a capacity building resource center for both of these technologies, that is RAS and biofloc. So we are providing them this training program on regular basis. Even on demand basis, we are offering this training program.
Right. Ma'am, which option is better for the urban women, whether it is the ornamental fish farming or other kind of fish farm?
Ornamental is the best choice for the urban ladies, because it also includes the women who don't want to leave their homes. So this is a activity which requires a smaller space, which can be done in the backyard or at the top roof also. So that is the main thing. You can start from a smaller unit of 500 meters square also with a regular income. So we also promote that women who don't want to leave their houses or they want to stay at home, so they can start with a small unit of ornamental fisheries.
What kind of financial support the government is providing into it?
There are different setups in ornamental also, like small unit, medium unit and large units. So they are providing 60% subsidy for establishing that units.
Right. And you are providing proper training as well as the market also to the those
Yes.
who are starting with this business.
Yes, as far as the university is concerned, our job is to provide the technical know-how, technical you can say expertise is provided to the stakeholders.
Right.
Yeah, and if they want any financial assistance, they have to contact the Department of Fisheries of their concerned district.
Right. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay.
So we will try to talk to some women fish farmers over here. So, uh, what's your name, ma'am?
Kamal Sani.
And you are from which district?
I'm from Jalandhar.
You are into which kind of farming?
I'm into bioculture,
Bioculture.
which is basically for the urban areas only.
Okay. What kind of challenges you have faced and how you started into it, this business?
It is my husband's interest. He installed the plant, and slowly I got the interest in it. Now, what we are doing, challenges, definitely there are many challenges because it is a technical thing. You have to check the parameters every day. You have to check the water quality every time. You have to carry all the medicines and it should be there all the time, because when the fishes, they are not in a traditional way, they are in a tank, then you have to check, they are in a ventilator position, right?
Right.
You have to check that everything is good or not.
Right. Like you mentioned that you are into indoor farming. How much area you have covered?
3 canal.
3 canals.
Yeah.
And what was the main idea, or if we say what is the biggest challenge you face, whether it is the market or whether it is the financial constraints? So what kind of a major challenge you faced?
Financial government help in financial thing, that is not the problem. The problem is to check whether it is doing growing good or not. Growing of the fishes is the most, and definitely mortality. If you are not able, if you are not aware of the things, you are not aware of the technical things, definitely there will be mortality and all your funds will be wash it off.
Right. So you are earning enough for in this business, or this business is having a good scope?
Yes, it definitely it has a good scope.
Right.
And I prefer that others should also go, especially the urban states, like if you're in the Ludhiana or Jalandhar and you don't have the enough space for the pond culture traditional way, then bioculture is the good for you.
We are having with us one of the women fish farmers. What's your name?
My name is Ehneer.
And you are from which district?
I'm from Jalandhar.
And you are into which type of fish farming?
We are basically doing integrated aquaculture, in which we have a fish pond, and then we have integrated it with the geese rearing as well as organic farming.
Okay.
And along with it, to diversify our income, we have also established a farm stay.
Okay. So can you share your success story? How you begin with it? How you came up with this idea?
So basically, it all started in the year 2024 when my dad got retired. So he was very interested into fisheries. So somehow we got in contact with the Department of Fisheries Jalandhar. So we there we get to know about the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana,
Okay.
and they provide 60% subsidy to the women entrepreneurs.
Right.
So that was the moment where my journey began. So along with my father, we started a aquaculture kind of thing, and we had named it as a Basque.
Okay. So what kind of struggle you have faced during this past 2 years?
See, the fisheries is mainly a male-dominated area. So being a woman, every step you definitely need someone along with you.
Right.
So luckily for me, it was my father, and then the Department of Fisheries. Like at every step, they have provided such a substantial support. Like so, it was a bit of easy for me to go through this journey.
Right. In urban areas, we would usually find the challenge about the space. There is not much space available for the fish farming. So, what kind of suggestions you want to give to the urban women regarding if they are interested into this business?
So exactly, this was the same problem that was faced by us. We only had 10 canal of area.
Okay.
So when we started fisheries, definitely for 1.5 year, you don't get any source of income.
Right.
So what you can do is you can integrate it with the organic farming. The water, the pond water, you can use for your cultivation of crops,
Okay.
the vegetables, and then you can also integrate it with the poultry.
Okay.
And the other thing is either you can go for the duck rearing or geese rearing. And the thing that we have started is a farm stay.
Okay.
Like in today's world, everyone has been so like they look for something which can give them peace. So ultimately, so we decided let's develop a farm stay. The peace that we are enjoying, let others feel that the same.
Right. So we will try to talk to some more women fish farmers over here. What's your name, ma'am?
My name is Reena Rani,
And you are from which district?
Gurdaspur.
Please explain about in which kind of fish farming you are into.
सर मेरा बिजनेस है ऑर्नामेंटल फिशेस का, ठीक है, और मैं गुरदासपुर में अपनी शॉप है मेरी, जो एक अच्छा शोरूम है जो बड़ा अच्छा चल रहा है, मैं वही देखती हूँ सर.
For how long you are into this business?
सर मुझे अभी इसमें हो गए हैं मे बी 2019 से मैंने स्टार्ट करा है प्रॉपर, लेकिन 2017 से मैंने एक बहुत छोटे लेवल से ये स्टार्ट किया था जो मैं घर पे ही करती थी होलसेल का, लेकिन 2019 में जाके मैंने अपनी शॉप ली है और मैं मार्केट में आई हूँ जो मैं रिटेल कर रही हूँ.
ठीक है. तो इसमें आप कैसे इसमें आए, कैसे आपको आइडिया आया कि मैंने ऑर्नामेंटल फिशेस की तरफ ही जाना है?
सर एक्चुअली अगर मैं कहूँ कि ये शौक है, ठीक है, मेरी हॉबी, जहाँ शौक लगा लो कि मेरे को अच्छा लगा कि मैंने कहीं पे देखा था, ये बड़ा अच्छा लगा मेरे को, मेरे हस्बैंड ने कहा है कि हमने अपने घर में रखना, और इतनी मतलब कि फिशेस को लाके उसको रखना, सजाना, उसको पालना, ठीक है, उसके बारे में मैंने रिसर्च करी, ठीक है, रिसर्च करने के बाद मैंने नेट से इतना ज़्यादा मतलब इसके बारे में नॉलेज ली, कहाँ से फ़िश आती हैं, कहाँ से नहीं, और वैसे इंटरेस्ट के साथ ही ये मेरा बढ़ा है। कोई मेरा पीछे से मैंने कोई इसके बारे में कोई डिग्री नहीं ली है, ठीक है, कोई कॉलेज से नहीं करी, मैंने कोई पढ़ाई नहीं करी, सिर्फ एक शौक से ही अपने बिजनेस को आगे तक लाई।
Aquarium farming, these kind of ornamental fish farming, do you feel that it is a more favorable business for the women who are in the urban areas because they have small houses or there is problem of space shortage? So such kind of farming is better than the other type of fish farming.
जी, मेरे मेरे ख्याल से तो ये आपने जो क्वेश्चन किया है, ठीक है, कि ये पहले तो मैं ये बिज़नेस की बात करूँगी कि ये बिज़नेस है ना जो आप बहुत ही लो लेवल पे, मगर आपके पास अगर 20 या 30 हज़ार से भी अपना बिज़नेस स्टार्ट कर सकते हो, ठीक है।
अच्छा।
1-2 टैंक ले लीजिए, ठीक है, आप कहीं पे भी रख के इसको बैठ जाए। आपने देखा होगा कि अगर हम रोड पे भी जा रहे हैं तो एक छोटे से बाउल में भी फ़िश रख के बैठे होते हैं, वो बहुत छोटे लेवल से स्टार्ट करके हम ऊपर तक जा सकते हैं, ठीक है। और दूसरी बात है ये फीमेल की, ठीक है, फीमेल जो ये बिज़नेस है, हाँ, ये बिज़नेस घर से भी हो सकता है, ठीक है। और फीमेल के पास इतनी ज़्यादा मतलब पैसों की कह लो कि अब ज़्यादा नहीं होता है, ठीक है, तो वो अपने खुद के खर्चे अपने जो घर के जो बजट होता है, बजट में से निकाल के सेविंग करके भी वो ये बिज़नेस कर सकती है।
ये जैसे जैसे ये एक एक्वेरियम है, इसकी क्या कॉस्ट होगी अगर इसी से फिश फार्मिंग बंदे ने स्टार्ट करनी है, तो इन्वेस्टमेंट कॉस्ट हमारा क्या होगी और कैसे इसको आगे बढ़ाया जा सकता है?
जैसे अगर मैं अपने शोरूम में देखूं तो हर कोई भी एक्वेरियम आपने लेना है, ठीक है, वो छोटे से छोटे साइज़ का लेना है, तो स्टार्टिंग जो होती है वो हम अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 2000 से स्टार्ट कर देते हैं, ठीक है। और अगर आपको कोई कस्टमर हमें आता है, हमसे बात करता है, हम कहता है कि मुझे एक्वेरियम चाहिए, साइज़ के हिसाब से अगर, तो उसका रेट बढ़ता जाता है। वो अपने कस्टमर के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है वो किस साइज़ का लेना चाहता है, कैसी फ़िश लेना चाहता है, और जो अपनी फ़िश है, फ़िश का प्राइस भी अगर देखा जाए तो 10 रुपीज़ से 20 रुपीज़ से स्टार्ट हो जाता है।
ठीक है, तो मार्केट इसकी ईज़ी है आगे फिर?
जी सर, मार्केट बहुत ईज़ी है, वो कस्टमर के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, और जो बेचने वाला है शॉपकीपर, उसके ऊपर भी डिपेंड करता है कि हम जो कस्टमर हमारी दुकान पे आया है उसका कैसे इंटरेस्ट बनाए, ठीक है, और उसका कितना इंटरेस्ट है, कैसे इंटरेस्ट बनाए कि वो और सबसे बड़ी बात एक और है कि ये हमारे जो आप कह लो कि वास्तुशास्त्र के हिसाब से भी घर में रखना बहुत अच्छा है, ठीक है, और उसको देख के भी कस्टमर इसकी बहुत डिमांड करता है, और मार्केट में इसका बहुत अच्छा काम है, ठीक है, वो चल रहा है हमारा। और मैं कहती हूँ कि अगर किसी ने ये बिज़नेस करना चाहता है वो, ठीक है, तो वो इसको अपनाए, फ़िश वाले को ख़ास करके अपनाए, और इसका मार्केट में, इंडिया में और पंजाब में बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब इसका कह लो अब स्कोप है, ठीक है। हाँ जी, थैंक यू। ओके।
So they were some women fish farmers as well as a dean of College of Fisheries. So they have briefed about the fish farming, and they mentioned that how urban women they can step into this fish farming business, this aquaculture business, and how they can get their training over here at Guru Angad Dev Veterinary and Animal Sciences University, and they can start their business. So we will keep updating you. Stay tuned to those Vera for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Sandeep Singh.